Hello party people, welcome to my channel. Today we talk about moving hairline, how to turn Chinese off because some American people stupid and only read English. So I teach you shut Chinese off. This is beam light made in China. Chinese make best light. You have to go down here. You go here and you push the OK. Alright? Now you have to go down. If you know how to read Chinese, you look at the Chinese character. This means language in Chinese. You see the character? Now, you push OK. You have to push up arrow. And change the language. You see how I change the language? I change this character. You see? Now it's American. Now English. Special shout out to Saxman Danny Rock. He let me use his channel to teach everybody how to turn off a Chinese. Thank you everybody. Visit Saxman Dan on Spotify. Saxman Danny Rock on Spotify. Thank you. Good luck with all your light and your party. We hope you make a lot of money.